We're out playing disc golf in the Texas heat. I think it's like 104. So listen to the lively bunch down there in the trees.
Oh, I thought it was power lines. Is it cicadas?
Yeah, I think it's cicadas.
I think it's those power lines.
Do you really?
Yeah.
No way. That's what you guys think.
Listen,
I think it's
come stand right here.
I'm hearing them off over there.
I hear them right there.
You do?
Yeah.
I don't know about all this. I think we're gonna have to get the jury involved. Is that the power lines?
It sounds like it's following it.
You're right. I don't know. Could be the power lines. I think it's cicadas.
Hey, look at where my first throw landed.
I don't know where mine went.
Yours is just right here, and that was your first throw, which is totally dumb. Right here somewhere. Yeah, listen.
My disc is in here somewhere.
I think it's back there, right here. What color? Pink?
Bright pink. Oh, there it is. I see it. That was as close as we thought. Let's see if I can make it with
Your
the.
circle too.
Oh, weak efforts. Blame it on the phone.